Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to show your Trustpilot reviews in your Shopify checkout. So for example, if you need to show something like this, give a heading and show your reviews. So this is what I will be showing in this video. So for this, we are using the Checkout Ninja app from Shopify App Store. If you are If you need to download it, you can search on Shopify App Store, or I also attach the app link in the description of this video and in the first comment. So after installing the app, you can go to the create advanced block section, right? Then you can create a new checkout block. We are giving the name Trustpilot block. So, and if you don't have any rules, then just skip the step. Then click on add new block. From the drop down, select Trustpilot. So this can be done in two ways. So this is the title. If you need to give a title over here, you can give a title over there, then that will works. And if this is actually an image, so this is actually an image. So you can copy this image address and you can come back to here. So you can give the image URL here. So I'll be pasting this image also in the description. Now that's really helpful for you. So we have set the heading. Then we are adding one by one review. So we are adding this one first and this one, and like that's what we are trying to do. So click on add new item. Then you have title, description, rating, review, name, and date. So I'm just replicating the similar thing. So this is the title. And coming back to here, this is the title. And it's a 5-star review, right? And you simply need to give it 5 here. And now we are going to copy this one. This is the content. And this is the review we are giving, right? And you can give the name. So this is the name. So I'm copying both of it, name and the date. So I'm copying and paste it here and closing this. Date, you can give either a date, anything similar what you need to do, or you can give it like this also, right? So we added one review and we can add the next one. So next one also in the similar fashion. So you're just copying this one and see this. This is a 4-star review. So we are giving it 4-star. And next thing we are copying the content. This is the review content. And we are pasting here. Then we are copying the name. I think it's better to copy full of them. Right. And we are copying the full of them and pasting it here. So we added 2 of them. So I'm adding one more. So then only we can see the scrolling effect. I'm just copying the similar one and giving it 3-star rating to give you an idea about how it's working. So making it 24, making it scan, right? And change the status to active, save it. Then you will get the block ID, copy the block ID, open checkout editor. Then click on custom block, checkout, add the block. So you'll be able to see this, right? And then again get back to this one and paste it below over here and save the changes. Now we can go to our live checkout and see how it works, right? So to live checkout and you can see it's scrolling, right? And the rating is also giving correctly. So this is how we can easily add your Trustpilot reviews into your Shopify checkout. One thing, you need Shopify Plus to use this feature, right? So if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.